definitely turns. Yo, let's hear the startup, yeah? Yeah. Yo, these songs be informing on me, man. Every time I start up a car, it plays a song that I was playing, you know what I'm saying? Let me pause it real quick. Back to SRT. Now I want sport mode, drive modes. Alright, cool. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, ladies and gents. With my boy, my SRT Frost, SRT Durango, right? The school bus, the loud school bus. That's what we call it, the school bus. Alright, so yeah, we and my boys SRT Durango. Wind that up so you can hear me. We and my boys SRT Durango, SRT Frost. Go follow him on Instagram. But it's not stock. He got the headers, he got the Magna Flow free flowing cats, high flow cats, and then a muffler delete as well. So that's why it sounds like this. It sounds crazy, man. It sounds different than any other Durango you will ever hear. It doesn't sound like a normal Durango at all. Let me close that so the wind noise a little bit better. But it doesn't sound like a normal Durango at all. And it doesn't make normal Durango power either. It makes around 85 wheel horsepower over a stock Durango. Yo, and it pops like crazy too. Definitely turns. Ain't gonna lie, sometimes I think this thing handles better than the hellcat. Ain't gonna even lie. extra FedEx. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes I feel like it handles better than the Hellcat. And that's only because on the exit it will grip. Don't get me wrong, you can still kick it out. For sure you can still kick it out, but it's less likely to kick out. Y'all see the upgraded brakes? Yeah, he don't have stock Durango brakes no more. Stock SRT Durango brakes. He has upgraded brakes, which it's for the Hellcat Durango, I think he said. Too much breeze in my video, but it feel good though. But yeah, I think he said these fit the Hellcat Durango, and he put it on here the other day. And this shit stopped like crazy. You see it in the video, man. But we're going too fast in the video to even talk about the car. But yeah, if y'all want to know anything about it, just hit him up on Instagram, SRT Frost. So yeah, hit him up on IG. I have it for the whole entire day and I have no videos, so I'm like, you know what, let's film a POV drive on it. You know, that's y'all favorite videos, and just wash it up real quick. Then we'll park it back at his house. But I'm gonna put it in my garage and rev it a couple of times for y'all, you know. Sorry neighbors. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, thumbs up, go follow him on IG. Plus, you know, I had to go on top of the Durango. Have y'all ever seen the top? The stripes are different up top than down on the bottom. But yeah, follow his IG, SRT Frost, tuned by Hades Performance, DSM lights, right? SRT Frost. Got them tips, 5-inch tips. But yeah, I'm gonna continue cleaning this thing up. I'll put some pictures of how clean it is. 392. This is the fastest SRT Durango down here in Florida, other than the one that they put a Hellcat engine in, because they put a Hellcat engine in one. But this is the fastest NA SRT Durango down here. So yeah, you know, so it even, yo, he raced a Hellcat Durango and he was in front of him for like a good distance, bro. So yeah, go follow my boy SRT Frost on IG, man. One clean ass Durango.
With a G up in that ass backwards. Lay back, relax, and talk mathematics. Later on, we test a little sex practice. Write my name on the wall. Money in the mattress, bet she gonna get involved. She hop